In this video, we're going to talk about how to hide and unhide rows in Microsoft Excel. Hiding a row in Excel is very simple. If you want to hide a single row, first select the row, right click here, select hide row. The row is gone. To unhide this row, what you need to do? Place the mouse here, wait for this position, double click, and row is back. There is another option to unhide the row. Take the mouse here. When the position appears, right click again, select unhide. Row is back into its position. If you want to hide more than one rows and all the rows are consecutive, then first select these rows. For example, if you want to hide rows from 5 to 10, select all the row here, go to home tab, select under home tab, select format, under visibility, select hide rows. All the rows are gone. In order to unhide rows again, go to format again, unhide rows. The trick is pretty simple. Using this technique, you can hide column too. Select a column, right click, hide, boom, the column is gone. To get back the column into its previous position, take the mouse here. When this position appears, just double click. Or you can, when this position appears, parallel line position, right click, unhide. That's it. The technique is very simple. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.